Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the button, the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration, and tap on it. Here, let's select the sound option. Okay, and once you enable the sound, we can continue and scroll down. And here you should see the option called volume. And you can tap on it. And as you can see, we have different types of volume. We have ringtone, media, notification system, AI assistant, quite a few. But we can adjust the volume for each one. So we can tap on ringtone. And now we can adjust the volume. You can do it by swiping on the edge of the bezel or by swiping on the slider. So adjust the volume for the ringtone and then swipe right on the screen to go back. Do the same for the other volumes if you like to. So media, notifications, system, and AI assistant. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. You can also change this through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And in that app, we can adjust this, I believe. So we can zoom out on the screen, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Now we can open the Galaxy Wearable. And in the app, you can tap on watch settings, tap on sound or sounds and vibration, and here look for the volume, and we can adjust the volumes by swiping on the sliders. There's a... Will it stop now, or do we need to... Okay, we need to leave the volume menu for some reason. But there's a little bit of delay. I don't know if you noticed when you change the volume on in the app. Yeah, you need to wait a few seconds or couple, I would say. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.